Hello guys, let's talk about actually four of my favorite shortcuts. So first one in the teller cap, select a node and just hit tab to give it a label. The second one is actually in Fusion. If you want to activate or deactivate a node, just select the node, hit Ctrl P to deactivate it and Ctrl P again to activate it. So now we come to the edit page, and if you want to select everything to the right or everything to the left, you just hit Y. And here you have to take it with a grain of salt, because you see if you have more than 2 tracks, you will see that it just left out this one. So please take this one with a grain of salt. If you hit Ctrl Y, it will select everything to the left. And you see, again, take it with a grain of salt. It actually works always if you just have one audio track and one video track, but it's not 100% reliable, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.